For the very latest, we can go now to Moscow. Our correspondent Theo Mertz is there. And Theo, as expected, Navalny's appeal has been rejected.
Yes, that's right. We found out about half an hour ago that he is going to have to stay at the jail where he's been since he was arrested when he arrived back in Russia. That's no surprise. At the end of this hearing, the judge asked if Navalny understood the ruling. He said, I understood what was going to happen even before this started. So there's no surprise there for the opposition leader or his supporters. And in any case, he's going to be back in court on Tuesday next week for his main parole hearing, and that will be what decides whether he is jailed for several years, and it could be a very long time if another investigation that has been launched against him does end in a charge as well. So that will be the one to look at next week.
And it's not just Navalny, is it there? There's been a sweeping crackdown on Navalny's allies today with raids on people's homes and offices. What more can you tell us about that?
Yeah, that's right. That all started last night when there were raids on several of Navalny's offices. There was a raid on the office of his YouTube channel. There were masked police storming that. That's the same YouTube channel that put out an investigation into a £1 billion palace that Navalny alleged was built using illicit funds and used by President Putin. And there were also raids on Navalny's home. We had video from his wife, who was there at the time, asking officers not to break in before her lawyer could get there. Her lawyer wasn't allowed access to the flat. So these simultaneous raids going on all over Moscow on opposition figures. And then today, these arrests and these cases that have been opened against them and that look like they may keep these top allies of Navalny away from further protests that are planned for the weekend that are set for Sunday.
Theo, thank you very much indeed. Theo Mertz there in Moscow with the very latest there.